welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are returning. It is the Empress of Comedy. Something significant about yesterday, Wednesday. Let's do it. Hope you guys are feeling great. Thank you for supporting my channel. I truly appreciate it. Spirit, sorry. What is going on with Libra and a person? Person they thinking about, or a person that's thinking about them. You know what's going on in the energy, Spirit. So the energy have teamed up in the 5D, honey. Okay, let's see. What's going on with Libra and a person? Yes, they are being honest. Okay. New job or career. Libra. 24 to 48 hours. Somebody can cover their tracks from God. Headed down the right path, honey. Man, I wish you would let me go. Anybody wish this person will let you go. Or maybe they want somebody else to let them go. Yeah, they can't get it right. Major leg setbacks, nothing going in their favor. Agreeing with envy. No contact. Them. Yes. Toxic as fuck. Let's see. Who being honest, Spirit? So yes, they're being honest. You probably think your person a liar. They could have been a liar. Waiting for you to post. Divine Mass and Divine Feminine teamed up in the 5D. Your intuition and what you know. Spirit say it's your intuition and what you know, cousin. They waiting for you to post because it's your intuition and what you know. I know hoes waiting for me to post because my intuition and what I know. And the shit you posting is the truth. The shit you posting is the truth, cousin. New job or career. You probably started a new job or a career, or that's what's coming towards you for somebody. Because you went in and they're not. Yes, divine protection. Make your vision board. So if you haven't got this new job or career, it's coming. And if you have got it, they watching you. They hating on your divine protection. They hating on your glow up. They hating on your glow up. Do not take them back. Too busy elevating new love. Took too long to make it right. Twin flames coming, waiting for the white flag. Blockages removed for some dark magic. Yes, twin flame want you to hold on. He said, wait. You're like, oh, I'm moving on the new lane. Libra. Who's a Libra? This can be your Libra. You could be dealing with another Libra. Clarity, police, backfire, emotion. Libra, your intuition and what you know, you're giving clarity and it's causing havoc. It's raising havoc, honey. Karmic and Rage was next. Game over for their ass. It's game over for them. You and this person is not in contact. Too late. Be careful that anyone from your past, fake spiritualist, DM and DF family watches you. Let's see. Backfire, emotion, and police. Recover. Because they're trying to recover so everything backfires. Still spiritually attack you and it's blocked. Karmic set up DM or DF. Maybe they did it for some money. They getting arrested or caught up. The police know what the fuck going on. Balance is being restored with what that Libra energy is. That's what I'm feeling. And you could be this Libra that's providing clarity. I don't know. Libra, it could be you. Air sign. God's baby not to be played with. 24 to 48 hours. worth for the next 24 to 48 hours, spirit. Too tapped in for the fuck shit. Resolution. This person won't talk. And they know they gotta be honest. Next 24 to 48 hours. Too tapped in for the fuck shit. For this fake spiritualist, this could be your person. They might have raised their vibrations and they tapped in. Resolution. They see through this damn karmic Uncle motherfucker. That's just too many. Resolution. 24 to 48 hours resolution. Tonight. This karma trying to find a way to have this person lose you for good. The spirit said this union is very protected. Stolen checks, child. And you still know what's go. Claim the child is his, not the father. You are not wrong. Keep calling them out. Even if you gotta choke this old masculine. This is incoming communication, text, DM. Next 24 to 48 hours, spirit. Spirit say relax. Tend to yourself. This is a situation that God has to fix himself. They know people have bad intentions to have this person take too long to make it right. And you too busy elevating. Keep doing your shadow work. Some of y'all is a brother or a sister that did not know when they came to the big world of God. Can't cover your tracks from God. You too tapped in for the fuck shit. God enlightened you. Empress, yeah. You busting those out. You just came out in the Virgo video, or the Virgo like somebody pissed. I mean pissed. It's mad. I said, oh, we cousins. Cause I'm gonna call her out too. Cause bitch, why you lying? Especially when it comes to my name, why you lying on it? Yep. Yes, cousin. Let me pass you my head. Headed down the right path. Took too long to make it right. And out of patience, check shit if and when need be. That you standing in your power, you standing in your purpose. You moving forward. You moving forward. Man, I wish you would let me go. Extra fucking triggered today in an earth sign. They want an earth sign to let them go. They could be this earth sign that, okay, they is pissed off today. They want the divorce to be final today. A breast ass karmic. They want this breast ass karmic to let them go today. Incoming communication spirit is hilarious. Emperor. Your emperor want to reach out. The emperor. The empress and the emperor. The emperor, they all know you to vote now. Jail restore $500,000. You, your energy uplifted your emperor to come about this bullshit, this dark ass shit with this karmic. They all know you the fuck you up. And you just in la 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 la. You could be a reader. You don't have to be. But you could be. Or they know you watch readings. You calm, cool, and collected, but you would check shit if and when need be. What else about the Emperor spirit? You're not wrong to keep calling them out. DF, you tell the truth about the karmic. Your Emperor said you keep standing on business, keep calling them out, even if you do move on. Even if you do move on, please keep calling them out. They respect your truth. They like the way you move. They won't be with you, but they like, even if I don't never have you again. It's giving that last at school when you sign your book, you rock, don't ever change. But don't get your feelings in mind, read, yeah. Enjoy your karma. I'm gonna wait Libra on enjoy your karma. Let's see. Okay, so if they keep clarifying, what else about the Emperor then? Rush to marriage to stop a divine union. Yes, it's really over. Fake friends. They want you to know that this karmic, they know that this karmic rush to marriage to stop a divine union. And it's really over. And they know that they fake ass friends had something to do with it. So you could have called out this karmic and they fake ass friends, cousin. Your Empress say you're not wrong. Keep calling their ass out. My man, my man, my man. You still have feelings for this person, but you love yourself more than to deal with the fuck shit. Keep it that way. What's my man, my man, my man? You like plans, yeah. They took too long to make it right. You was patient. You was patient enough. Your man wanna go on vacation with you. The spirit say you might be being in your ego a little bit, Libra, so do some shadow work. Or this masculine that was in their ego did some shadow work. Spell broken. DM that female line real bad. Spirit saying maybe this emperor need to do some more. They lying bad about some stolen checks. Them checks were stolen. They didn't lose them. They stolen. They stole them. Because line said that they lost the checks or whatever. No, they really stole them. Karmic watches the same reader as you, the spy. Finding out this person ready and willing, so they crying. They is crying, honey. Could be fire sign crying over the star sea. So they can revenge share. Crying. Spirit is hilarious. The karmic is watching the same reader as you, the spy leader. And they is crying. Cause the karmic is, the readers is saying that they lying. They is lying. This person, they told, the readers and told the karmic that this person is coming back towards you, and they go and start shit with this person because they green with envy. They is green with envy. This could have been going on for the last 9-12 months with her. Child. Really can't get right. Major late setbacks because the readers is telling all their business, child. Want all the smoke in reverse because that little spell ain't doing shit. Thinks they're better than you. So this is a karmic that's not a fighter, want all the smoke in the reverse, but they want to come up against you on a spiritual level, and they talk shit thinking that they're better than you because you probably want all the smoke, and you would tap that ass on the spiritual level. That's why they chose to spiritually attack you, because they not about that life in these streets. They not. Look, paying for readings, wishing they never came for you. Because you too protected. You feel protected. And this person is with the ghost, this karmic energy. Ghost is the karmic energy. Spiritual warfare, instant karma. They went, I'm getting at this karmic, the next attack they send is going to instantly backfire. And this person is going to ghost them in full. This is to ghost them in full. Instant karma. I just heard preparing another spell. Unseen text messages. I'm telling you, it's in the reverse. This karmic is about to do some bullshit ass magic. And it's with the backfire instantly. And this person is with the ghost, this karmic. And the message that they've been wanting to send to you, or they fit to get sent. Unsent text messages in the reverse. I'm telling you, the karmic is mad. You have spiritually defeated them. They won't be getting no 3D inheritances in the reverse, baby. They feeling powerless. Say hell no. Bro and sis, your brother and your sister could work with this karmic. You gonna be like, hell no. Look, stolen. Stolen checks. And lost again. You're getting the facts here and now. This karmic was saying that they lost this money. No, they stole it. It could have been one for $25,000. 6 months into the relationship, 3 to 6 months in. Because they rushed the marriage, 3 to 6 months in, baby, they was doing the most. Over a mill, this woman. I just say YouTube reader and nervous because whatever the reader is saying got these motherfuckers shook. Next week, what about next week, Spirit? Ignoring the karmic silent. This karmic is getting ghosted, and I saw Monday. I'm telling you, ignoring the karmic silent next week. Toxic as fuck. You and gold. Karma. Trying to get you jumped. Having a hard time accepting that they cannot compete with you. The next little piece of weak ass magic that they throw, Libra, it's with the instantly backfire, okay? Because this union is very protected. It's with the instantly backfire. The spells and shit has already been broken. This karmic is just doing the most. You're doing the most. They won't stop. They won't stop, okay? So, Spirit about to say, if it's to make sure they don't want all that motherfucking smoke. That's why they count down their days now. That's why they count down the days now, sitting up crying and shit. They scared now. They crying now because of this what it's giving. And I almost picked up the Empress in the reverse when I'm saying it. Because she's crying. Not because they feel bad. This one don't have no feelings. It's not holding no feelings. You know, delusional. They crying, thinking that it's spiritual. It's a spiritual ascension. Spirit, how this person coming to a Libra, because they coming. How Libra feel about this person? Yeah, I'm telling you, they coming. They coming for sure. Because you make them happy. But you mind your business drinking your water. You don't even see this person coming towards you. You can probably feel it though because it's your intuition once you know you tapped in. Yeah, you can probably feel this person ready to take action towards you. And you can probably feel the bullshit behind the scenes too. How they would feel about this person's spirit that's coming towards them. So where I'm picking up on. Ten of Wands. Two of Pentacles. King of Swords. The Emperor. The Hangman. Hermit. This person ghosted you and calls you hella fucking bullshit. Tried to joke with you. Ghosted you. But you know that that's your emperor. You like, I don't know, I gotta see. You could've cussed them out with that Knight of Swords. You feel like this is your emperor, and you feel like they need to stand in that emperor energy if y'all gonna be together. You feel like this your emperor, and you need to step in that emperor energy if y'all gonna be together. Something had popped up on the screen, so I don't know which part y'all missed, but this person ghosted you. Okay? Yeah, you're very defensive towards this person. You low-key did manifest this person. You want to see how they coming. You like, where the fuck is my offer at? And since this person ain't came with your offer, this where you at. You miss this person, but you ain't tripping. You not tripping. You miss this person, but you good on your own. Yeah, and you know they watch you. You know they watch you. And the screwball heads too. Five of Swords, Ace of Cups. If you get new love, they know that's on them. But what this person gonna do, Spirit? Are they coming towards my Libra? Take action. What is this person gonna do, Spirit, that's coming towards Libra? They scared to come towards you, Queen of Swords, Ten of Wands, because you spoke the truth, honey. You spoke the truth. You two tapped in for the fuck shit. What this person is going to do, Spirit? The world closing out this karmic cycle so they can heal things with you and make you a slave offer. Baby, they sorry. They is sorry. Your emperor is sorry. That's how I'm hearing it. I'm sorry. They like, damn, I don't know how many times I could say it. I am sorry. I feel like shit about this. Damn. They like, damn. They coming in with a stable offer, cousin. Four of Swords. They didn't already close out this cycle with this karmic. They blocking this motherfucker out. They've been healing. They had the Tower. Tower. The Empress. Knight of Cups. Baby, they fit to shock the hell out of you. They fit to shock the hell out of you. They doing everything they can to get the full on. They is going through it. I'm telling you, they is going through hell. They go through hell. They should have listened to you. Ace of Pentacles. King of Swords, Nine of Cups, because they know that you their wish fulfillment. They wanna bring you an offer. They wanna tell the truth. Okay? Why the Tower to the Empress? It's giving you sleepy off your feet energy. I don't feel bad. Tower, Nine of Wands. Ten of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Wands. Six of Cups. Yeah, they have not let go. They pushing through. They want to reconcile. They know they got to do a lot to get back in your good graces. Knight of Cups. The High Priestess. This is somebody you ain't talking to and your intuition told you about. You could have ignored it in the past, but you ain't ignoring it no more. They moving in silence, honey. Knight of Cups and High Priestess. Pisces, Scorpio, yeah, Queen of Swords. It's your intuition and what you know. Queen of Swords, Four of Wands, Judgment. You told them about the person that they went into union with. You told them the truth about that. They want to come into union with you. They want to come to your house. They want to come over. Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, Four of Wands. Your intuition told you what was going on with everything, and you told this person, and they did not believe you. Four of Wands. Oh, but baby, they believe you now. The Hangman, Seven of Wands. Yeah. Wheel of Fortune, King of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. J-Lo keep blaming you being so guarded is the reason why y'all not talking and shit, but they have to go ahead and get over that. Wheel of Fortune, King of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Eight of Wands. They gonna have to get over that, yeah, and speak their truth. They gonna reach out to you and they gonna be telling you the truth too. Ace of Pentacles, King of Swords. Eight of Cups in the reverse. The Chariot, Three of Pentacles, the Strength. They coming toward you. They want to be with you. Queen of Wands, Ace of Swords. For some of y'all, they've been holding back their sexual energy, and look right when I'm saying it, they've been holding back their sexual energy, and they can't take it no more. It's time for them. It's time, and they want it to be with you. They want that to be with you, honey. Eight of Cups in the reverse. It's a Ten of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. When they went back to this ex, when they went back to this ex and married this motherfucker, they some kind of sealed the deal on y'all contract that you're having to eat this. But since this karmic did this shit and it was all based upon lies and bullshit, and that's what they intentions was from the jump, they're causing all these illusions and shit, paying for spell work, doing the most, taking every opportunity because they want to be connected to this person for inheritance. This karmic could never sever the ties on y'all inheritance or y'all contract. So, since they did magic on this person to even get them to either move in, commit, or say I do. The kid wasn't even there, but none of that. So it did not end the contract. It just turned into a karmic lesson. It was up to this person to stop the karmic cycle. You don't have karmics on your end. You've been closing out karmic cycles. So they can't blame it on you. The hold up is them. Eight of Wands, the Death. They want to tell you how you put it into them prayer ways. But the person that they married to trying to keep them stuck and they doing hella motherfucking magic, spell work day and night, toilet labor. Eight of Wands. Judgment. They want to reach out, but they feel like you didn't call judgment. Like, and you did, because you feel like they stuck in a marriage. Yeah, and you feel like you have to go down a different path to be happy because this person left you out of the fold after breaking your heart and causing you a major betrayal and even ghosted you. Yeah, at one point you was in the Five of Cups, Nine of Swords. When they went in here and made a practical decision to choose this lover over you that they thought they so put the joke with you with, now look at their ass. Stupid. Stupid. Because you're holding back and they feel like you're manifesting new love. This karmic did magic. This karmic be doing magic trying to send people towards you too. But this person be doing, I won't say they're doing magic, but they're trying to manipulate the energy to where people don't come towards you. Okay? Mm-hmm. They trying to get the hell away from this karmic on the low. Put this over the door in the lows, baby. They even watching readings, trying to stop and block. You could be a reader too. Still without a name significant to this reader. You got the karmic crying because they crying for real. You so we're chilling and I'm Bob. The karmics is crying, scared, got down their days, they sweating bullets. They only crying because they got caught up. They didn't know when they came for you, baby. Listen, it was with the water way to third, this to the left. What do you think got this other check out? Can't get right. Major setbacks, major delays. This person don't want you to move on, but they say you move on, they understand. Stay great. And they still feel a little bit because it's getting out. Yeah, you feel how you feel, but you still got feelings for this person. It's a that you feel like it's your empress, but that's a connection. You just not about to sit around with the for the fuck shit. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Any other name, spirit? I want to flip over. Justin, Elise, Brown, Keita, Judy, Robert, JoJo, Ruby, Julian, Lucretia, Samaj, Jaden, Serenity, Destiny, Isaiah, Viviana, Blair, Zoe, Anaya, Armani, Reese, Miles, Dolores, Tracy, Kylie, Kelly, Marmar, Angelique, Cheryl, Brandon, Jordan, what is going on? Molly, Maya, DeShayla, Crystal, Anderson, Nevaeh, Catherine, Gillian, Lachey, Kim, Isaiah, I don't know if I said it or not. Wendy, Peaches, Brittany, Garcia, Nancy, Damo, Evans, Frida, Trayvon, okay, Spirit, Joanna, Thomas, Shauna, Venus, Joshua, Jabari, Davis, Sade, Webb, Rayshawn, Leslie, Drakeford, Marissa, Mont, Ari, Elijah, Gordon, Tran, Janelle, Morales, Felipe, Val, Chelsea, Desiree, Charmaine, Tinsley, Donald, Octavia, Darrell, Jalea, Antoine, Paige, Edgar, and Mary. Well, now telling her how can I see what's on this stuff on you? You can't just, yeah, how the fuck did they sleep on you, Libra? How? And they still sleeping on you, cousin, to be honest. Because the energy that's coming out to the next one.